Hello, kids, and welcome back. We are still in editing our sprite. We are going to do some more thing today. So, from here, we tried to make a circle last time. From here, we have a line. We can create a line as well. This is the outline color, and line does not have a fill color. And we are going to click it, select it with this selection tool, we have many options here. We can change the direction, we can make it wider, or and from here we can make it wider, right? It's simply a line, it is nothing else, it doesn't have a fill. Okay, and if I'm going to choose this reshape button, you see what it can do. If I'm going to click on any point, it is going to create a point for me, and I can edit it, move it as I want, and make my shape as I like. So, so you have seen how my line has converted. I can change the color as I want. Okay, so this is how our line works. One more thing is the square. Here is a square. You see the outline is too thick because it's 17. We can change it from here. I'm going to do it just 4, and it is changed to 4 points. I'm going to select it with selection tool. I have always select this select tool, and if I want a fill in it, I can fill in it. Okay, I want to finish, I don't want the color. Here we have no colors, and from here we have colors. With the colors, with the solid colors, what we have here is gradients. If I want some specific gradients, let's say I want from red to yellow, you see we have these gradients, and we can change these gradients from upside down, from circle. We can swap the colors, or we can pick the color. If I want some color, this one I can pick the color. Let's say I want this blue color, and you see the color is changed. Okay, I can pick the color from anywhere I want. Let's say I want this blue color, so this color has shown here. Even in solid, I can pick the same color which I can pick from my other object, right? And one more thing is swap. Flip horizontally. I'm going to edit this shape a little so we understand what we are doing. Okay, this is the object. I have to select the select tool. If I'm going to flip horizontal, it is going to flip on the other direction. And if I'm going to flip vertical, right, it is going to flip vertical. Okay, so that's how we can edit our costumes. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.